Stephen, wilderness cooking. I love the fact that we've now got this opportunity to take this sort of outdoor cooking to another level.
We're just going to take everything we've learned between survival cooking and wilderness cooking techniques, roll it into the best wilderness cookery course out there.
Let's do it. If you're outdoors, it's very easy to take sort of processed food with you, stuff that's easy and quick. But the more time you spend outdoors, you want to start learning how to really cook.
We want to let people into the secrets of outdoor cookery.
I want to take our smoking and preservation skills to a whole new level.
The cooking technique that I'm going to demonstrate now is called Ammo Box Pigeon.
Ed Stafford has a lot to teach when it comes to the outdoors. Holding the world record for the first person to walk the length of the Amazon. He's done these things for real.
Stephen Hanton, he's an expert tracker, he's a craftsman, he doesn't boast at all, and yet he has a wealth of knowledge.
We're taking the time to show these skills off in the best way that we possibly can.
This is accessible for anyone of any skill set range.
This course is very special.
It is exciting to see what we've got.
It's so good, isn't it?
The meat is so tender.
That is how you do a deer.
We want to give people inspiration to venture outside and see how simple it can be to create a tasty meal.
Cooking in different methods over fire, they all give you different skills that allow you to be more comfortable in an environment. And I think the more comfortable you are, the more time you'll spend in this environment and the more reconnected to nature you'll become.
I'm about to wet myself with excitement.